B'ezrat Hashem, Mincha is going to be at 4:25. Please try to make every effort possible to come and to be there on time so that there could be a minyan. Baruch Hashem, this whole week we were zochet to have a minyan, and it's very tight, so make sure to come. In terms of the Halacha, the distinction we made between Eretz Yisrael and Chutz La'aretz, where we start saying Barech Aleinu in outside of Eretz Yisrael only by December 4th or December 5th, as opposed to in Eretz Yisrael we said that already from the 7th day of Ma Heshvan we begin to mention Barech Aleinu and V'ten Tanu Matar Livracha. That distinction isn't fully accurate, because when we say Eretz Yisrael, we mean that broadly. We don't mean specifically the Kiddusha of Eretz Yisrael because of the holiness of the land. It really connects to the climate of Eretz Yisrael and the necessity of the rains. Therefore, even parts that are not technically part of Eretz Yisrael, let's say for example you have Elat, you have the Sinai Peninsula, you have Damascus, Syria and Lebanon, those areas which are not technically, certain parts of Lebanon are part of the Eretz Yisrael, but there are certainly parts of Lebanon was not historically part of Eretz Yisrael. And in those circumstances you would say, well, maybe they should say Barechenu, but nevertheless the custom is that in those places the minhag is to say Barech Aleinu, and the reason behind that is because the climate is no different than in Eretz Yisrael, and since they also need the rain very early on in the winter season, therefore they also switch over to the Barech Aleinu. So when we say Eretz Yisrael, it's a little bit loose in its terminology. We mean Eretz Yisrael and the surrounding climate that is similar to Eretz Yisrael. As a matter of fact, in the Rishonim, you find in Shuvat HaRosh, he says even places that are far away from Eretz Yisrael, if they really need the rain, then they should say Barech Aleinu already from Zayin Heshvan. Although that did not become the accepted custom, and any other place that even though it has the same climate, we generally do not, but we do say in the surrounding areas of Eretz Yisrael, we do make that distinction, and that sort of opinion is given a lot more weight, and that is therefore the halacha lema'aseh. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen.